Hi, good day. I'm 6367. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Mary Jane Salandron Cañete, single mom, 40 years old. I have two children, 20 years old and 6 years old. I am Roman Catholic.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper.
My experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia is taking care of the special child, 13 years old, and also a baby, 8 years old. And also, I take care of elderly, my two employers, mother, father.
And other household chores that you do.
My duties are cleaning the house, cooking the food of the children, especially the special child, and do the general cleaning.
Okay, so since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, sir. As a mother, I also experience to take care of my newborn baby.
Okay, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check the body temperature. Maybe she is sick or maybe she's hungry. And also, I will check the diaper if wet or full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry, after you did all of your best, what will you do?
If the baby is still crying, I will call the parents' attention.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it is the safest place and also known have a high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer wants to stay.
So it is okay to you to extended your contract, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn
And how okay.
how to cook, like watching videos in YouTube and by learning in cookbooks.
Okay. And also if you have a time or your employer have a time to prepare food for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could learn, right? Or
Yes.
also if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir, it's okay.
It is okay to you to share a job with other helper.
Yes, sir, it's
How
okay.
about sharing room with kids?
I am willing, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday
I
setup.
am willing, sir.
How about taking care of pets?
No problem, sir. I am a pet lover.
Also, you are taking care of an elderly, right? So it
Yes,
is
sir.
okay to you to take care of elderly.
Yes, sir.
How about helping them go to bed, to the bathroom? It is okay
Yes,
with you?
I am willing to help, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
I'm willing to learn, sir.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, if you hire me, I will do my best to do my responsibilities and my duties. And also, I will obey what is your rules and respect all your family members.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Mary Jane. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.